got a hydraulic, a fucking air powered hydraulic pump for this thing?
Bring a hydraulic one in. I got a hydraulic sitting around.
Everything here's gonna be speedy fast.
Hunter likes to get shit done. We need air powered everything.
I want faster lifts.
I told him.
I want lifts that go up now and drop down. Like just fall to the ground and they get 4 inches from the ground, they stop and they go down slow.
Like a toilet seat?
A closed, a soft closed drawer.
Yeah. You just woo and it goes woo.
Like our fancy Kohler toilet seat?
Yeah. You just slam it and it goes. That's what we need.
Causes problems for you at home, man. I don't have one of those at home, dude. I'm like, slam! I was like, fuck. Like,
This is the third toilet seat this week.
what happened in there?
Did you fall?
Oh, shit.
Ready?
Yeah. No.
You're gonna have to push that. Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Hunter, Cody, and Blaine, mechanics in Sterling, Illinois. They work at Redline Dyno Center, fixing cars with skill. They're the best in the business, everyone knows. Their passion for engines constantly shows. They rev up the engines, make them roar. Turning wrenches and tools, they always want more. They're the ones you call when you need a repair. Hunter, Cody, and Blaine, they'll always be there. Redline Dynamos, they're the kings of the road. When it comes to fixing cars, they never fold. Hunter, Cody, and Blaine, the mechanics with might. They'll get your engine running all through the night. With grease on their hands and determination in their eyes, Hunter, Cody, and Blaine, they never compromise. From classic cars to modern machines, they can't fix anything, no matter how extreme. They know every engine, every part. Their reputation for excellence, they'll never depart. At Redline Dyno Center, they're the ones you can trust. Redline Dynamos, they're the kings of the road. When it comes to fixing cars, they never fold. Hunter, Cody, and Blaine, the mechanics with might. They'll get your engine running all through the night. Redline Dynamos, they're the kings of the road. When it comes to fixing cars, they never fold. Hunter, Cody, and Blaine, the mechanics with might. They'll get your engine running all through the night.
What'd you do with it?
That's what I'm wondering. I can't see.
Shit. Just remember, he's gonna have to get all the way heated up before he. Okay.
So like the coolant enrichment, with it being cold, it's just dumping fuel.
So with it being cold, it wanted to heat up quick and kept dumping fuel
So it's like 9 AFR.
So basically what I'm doing is I came in here and we're just giving the car more timing. We upped the octane a little bit. So as far as what we've got timing wise, we had it conservatively tuned at about 32 degrees at wide open throttle. What we're going to do is come in here, basically smooth out this transition a little bit. We've gave it about 36 degrees at wide open throttle. We can go up to 38. Don't really want to push it that high though. Just going to see if we can get some more power out of it. Prior numbers, let's see. We put down 310 and a half and 351 foot-pound of torque. So we're going to see if this is going to. I'd like to see close to the 340 mark on horsepower. So we'll see how we do.